Well, alright. Me a go down there. But me a go use one stone kill two birds. Cause I have a next baby mother when name Camille.
Bizzle.
Stop, brother. I want you focus on nicey. Low chirper baby mother them alone. And that I get you in a trouble and I break your focus. Fix things with nicey. And low the man baby mother them. Alright, brother. I'm gonna take a chill pill and fix things. Yo, here we are going. No say no take things too serious, you know, Bizzle. But then man, you're serious. Remember the other day, two man drop from out of the circle, Evan and David. How you think of them? Are the same man them where I get the payment. So if we miss a payment, we have to start look over our shoulder. Man, ain't that. So we want everything fixed and we send on the payment them on time. Because remember, say a principle we are deal with and a business we are deal with. So fix what you have to fix and make us send on the man them money. Alright, brother. I'm going to deal with it. Alright, you know, brother. Make sure you deal with it, you know. All protocols observed. Me I go deal with it after me deal with Trevor.
So why you choose to do all of this in here, so in the hot shop? You could have done in a house and a fan or something.
Remember say Ricardo still come and go, you know. And so my time, Vanessa just pop up.
It's still a pop up. You have to be careful with that.
Alright, here one. May I beg you and Bubbles for trust me upon that one, yeah. She is the only person in my age group I'm have certain conversation with. But me not gonna make sure find out nothing about me.
Alright. I trust you. Just be careful. That's all I tell you.
Whisper, I know the kind of work I'm doing, you know, and I'm not gonna jeopardize that. I just want to remember say I not have no friend. Just go now.
Movers. Just want to remember, say, she's a bright girl and she's very observant. And you have to remember, she once was a mark.
I know. I mean, you handle it. This is how I want to show you. Come look.
So, why does it find out about her?
Look.
Dolphus Franklin.
Hello. The A no silent, you know? Adolphus Franklin.
How can I name that man? Bernard Alexander Whitmore. And I gave them a player. Two different names, but the same picture.
Yeah. That is what you call suspicious. A criminal behavior, listen.
I wonder if Marlon Swaby a bull real name.
Yeah. I check it out already. I'm real name that. Him not use no other name.
Maybe because he was a part of the force.
I suspect the same thing. But this Bizzle brother. Look on this. 3 weeks ago, Tantrum Restaurant was owned by Agatha Nisi. 2 weeks ago, film name appeared on the document as 51% shareholder. And last week, he is now 60% shareholder.
That means your program a run.
Not only that, this proof say them have linked down at the place.
Who is this Agatha Nisi woman? You have nothing for her?
But glad you asked. This woman's life is very colorful. She was once a regular church lady, living a normal life, have her husband, have a daughter who go to college. Our next job description was social media manager at Calder Tours.
Calder Tours. Me hear the name there already, you know.
The same place where me and Karim go. When find was me an agent.
Oh, I don't know say and the boy kick off. Where do you want to dry away?
Drop. Anyways, yeah, that same place where Karim want stop up the boy. No.
So you expect the man to do? Stand up and make man look a woman in front of him. Man have to defend that.
Anyways, this is where her job description get very interesting. She was once a manager at Esperanza's funeral home.
Without any prior experience at the first funeral home she worked at?
That's what me that say. And him get her operation manager.
That's strange. Maybe she did do more.
Well, whatever she da do, she get promotion for go foreign from 4 of them.
And now she been scammed by the brother. Yeah. I wonder how she even acquired the money to start a business there.
That's a good question. Cause her backstory, not sure. None of that where she get the money there from.
That means the money where she acquired from working with Tony. What period of time she there foreign for?
She worked with him out here for 3 months. And overseas, 3 months, so that's 6 months in all.
The place is what? A lease?
Not by these documents. It shows that she owned the property.